Good evening, everyone. My name is Daksh, and today I am here presenting StockMaster, your AI powered personalized inventory manager. So, I'll go on to About Us section and explain you the features of this app. There you go, it has instant sync, geofencing, smart operations, audit trail, mobile ready, dark mode, light mode, or your system preferences. Okay, so we'll directly hop onto the app. This is the login portal. So, yeah, I'll enter my email ID. And then I'll enter the password. You can select your particular warehouse, um, and you have to enter the password of that particular warehouse that you have selected. So I'll enter the password. I'll sign in. There you go. This is the dashboard. The dashboard shows you the total products, uh, how many products have low stock, the pending receipts, and the pending deliveries. So yes, it shows the stock movement. Basically, it is a um, line graph between incoming receipts versus outgoing deliveries. It also shows you the pie chart of the inventory by category. There are multiple categories over here like others, packaging, raw materials, safety gears, tools, work in progress. Here you have a stock health, like there are 149 healthy stocks and 5 stocks that are damaged. Recent operations that has been carried out are displayed over here. Once you click on get AI summary, this whole page summary you will get here. So I'll click over here and then you'll see a magic. There you go, you got an whole summary of this particular page. You can also see the forecast of all the products or your incoming receipts or outgoing deliveries for the next 1 week. Just click over here and you can see the graphical representation of the forecast. Coming on to the products, there are multiple products available in different warehouses. For example, if I have to increase any product, for example, there are 100 units of steel rods, but I have to add 10 more. So I'll just go over here, I'll write 10 more stocks, add to stock. There you go, 110 units. Earlier it was 100. You can also see the barcode of each and every stock available, the internal reference, location, units, and the price. Okay, now coming on to the operations. Here you can see multiple things. I'll just explain one by one. You can either receive your order, deliver, or transfer. I'll first show how to deliver it. So you have to select the partner to whom you have to deliver. So I'll go and I'll just click on Puja Automobiles, and yes, the item that I have to deliver. For example, I have to deliver a fabric roll, and how many in amount. For example, I have to sell like 8, and I'll save and create. There you go, you can see the partner Puja Automobiles, and I'll ship the order. I'll mark it as delivered. Once delivered, I can now generate the receipt. As you can see, the receipt has been generated. You can either save it. Coming on to the receipt, you can see the company name, the GSTIN, the support, contact details, tax invoice, and yeah, from which warehouse to where, like from StockMaster Logistics main warehouse to Puja Automobiles, fabric roll RM002 SKU, the total amount by adding all the GST and all your grand total is 10,030 rupees. Total units that were sold were 8. Good enough. Coming back to the app, yes. Now I would like to explain one more feature, that is, like, for example, I have to deliver the office chair, like 10 office chair to Reliance Retail. So what I'll do is I'll just ship the order, but unfortunately I have insufficient stock. So sorry, insufficient stock. So I'll just go to products, and you can see, yes, I have to deliver 10, but I only have 8. So what I'll do is I'll just add 10 more stocks. Like what, I have to add 10 more. Yeah, if I add 10, there you go, I have 18 stocks now in operations. I'll go again, I adjusted, so I got the, I can also generate the receipt. Like I ordered 10 more office chairs. You can download the receipt. Yes, I ordered it from Andheri East. And yes, you can you can fulfill your order over here. Mark delivered. You can see the receipt. There you go. Now, if I had 18 office chairs right now and I gave 10 of them, so I am left with 8 again. So will I see 8 over there? Yes. The units keep on changing as you keep on delivering, receiving, or transferring. Coming on to the contacts, you can see the vendor and customer contact details of different companies or different warehouses. Coming on to the move history, like whatever you have ordered, delivered, transferred, or received, it will be available over here. You can either generate the receipt from here too. Okay. Coming on to the settings, you have two main modes over here, light mode and dark mode. I usually prefer dark mode. There you go, you have a map over here. I'll just go and convert it to the satellite map, and yes, I'll just allow the location service. I'll reload the site. I'll just enter the password and all again. Just a second. And there you go, it has now transferred you to your current location. I stay in Kalyan, so it is showing me the location of Kalyan. This is your current location and this is your warehouse distance. Like the nearest warehouse to me is in Kalyan West. You can see all the locations of warehouses. Like in Dombivli East, you have Dombivli MIDC. And Mumbai, there you go. You have Science Circle, you have Matunga Central, you have Vadala Truck Terminus, you have Parade TT, you have Elphinstone Road, you have Matunga Central. Okay, I've shown this one. These are all the warehouse locations. Bandra Reclamation. Yeah, so here you have the warehouse configuration, like how many warehouses are active and how many are not. Almost all of them are active. Okay, so now coming on to the one small feature, like an AI chatbot, which can help you to manage your stocks as well as explain you the features of this app. For example, I have to find how many, like I'll go to the products first. I want to see how many leather box are there, how many units of leather box are there. So I'll just search like how many units of leather box 24 are available. We have 422 units of leather box 24 in Mazgon docks, as you can see here. Yeah, this was the feature. Yeah. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.